Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the HG One Reward app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The HG One Reward app makes booking and managing hotel stays much easier. With access to over 6,000 properties worldwide, you can unlock exclusive member rate, track and redeem reward point, and even customize stays with special requests or preferences. Features like mobile check-in, digital room key, and real-time booking update makes it a convenient tool for frequent travelers. On the flip side, some user report glitches, slow loading time, and occasional issues with reservation not synchronizing correctly. The best pick are tied to loyalty membership ties, so casual travelers may not get the full value. So in conclusion, the app is definitely worth using if you stay at high HG hotel regularly, but it's less impactful if you only book occasionally, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.